Hi, and welcome to Spring the Fiber Enthusiast channel. I'm Spring. Today we are going to learn about front post double crochet and back post double crochet. I am going to be using just a random leftover ball of Red Heart Super Saver. Nothing super spectacular, just a standard 4-weight yarn and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I have already started and I've done a chain and a row of double crochets to get us started. Each double crochet is called a post, each one of them. Well, in order to obtain a front post double crochet, you would wrap the yarn around your hook just like you would for a double crochet. But instead of going in the top of the stitch, you're going to go around the post with your hook behind it. Yarn over your hook and draw up a loop and complete your double crochet just as you normally would. And now you have gone around that first double crochet post. Let's do another one. Yarn over, insert your hook behind the next double crochet post, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then complete your double crochet. If you need to know how to make a double crochet, I have a video tutorial showing how to do the basic stitches in crochet. Let's do a couple more. Yarn over, insert your hook behind the next double crochet post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Let's do the next one. Yarn over, insert your hook behind the double crochet leg, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Let me pull that out a little bit and show you. So you can see how it's going around it, not in the top of the stitches, just around the post. That is a front post double crochet. Okay, now I'll pull this back out and we will do a back post double crochet. Everything is exactly the same except you yarn over and come from behind the work and go over the top of that double crochet. Look, just like that. So your hook is now on your side of that double crochet post. Yarn over and pull through to pull up that loop and complete your double crochet. Just like that. Let's do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook from behind your work, go over the top of your next double crochet post and back out the back side of your work, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And now you can see the ridge is on the front. So it looks very similar on the back side of your work as if you were to have done front post double crochet. But on the right side of your work, you see that there's a ridge here. Let's do a couple more. Yarn over, insert your hook from behind your work, over the next double crochet post stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Sometimes pulling through from the back side can be a little bit tricky, and you might have to move your work around to get that loop through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Let's do a couple more. Yarn over, insert your hook from back side of your work over the top of your next double crochet post, poke it out the back, yarn over, and pull through to bring up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. One more time. Yarn over, insert your hook from behind your work, over the top of the next double crochet post, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to pull that out and we're going to alternate one front, one back, all the way across. Okay, we're going to start with a front post double crochet. Insert your hook from the front to the back, pull up a loop, and double crochet. Now we're going to do the back post. From the back side, pull up a loop, and finish your double crochet. Now we're going to do a front, and now we're going to do a back. And front, just like that. Now the next one's a back, and the next is a front. I need more yarn. Front, and we're going to complete this all the way across. One front, one back, one front, one back, one front, one back, all the way to the very last stitch. And when you get to the last stitch, I'll show you what to do. Once I've completed my row, I'll be back. Okay, I've come to my last 2 stitches. The last front post double crochet, get in view for you. And then what we're going to do is we are going to double crochet in the top of this chain to complete our row. Okay, so now you can see it's like ribbed accordion style looking from one front post and one back post. Now when you turn your work, I also have how I start a row with double crochet. I do what's called a chainless double crochet, and I have a tutorial for how I do that in my Crocheting 101 series. We're going to double crochet in that first stitch. And now we want to follow what we did on the other side, except it's going to be the opposite. instead of a front post here on this one, it's going to be a back post. So we will start with a back post double crochet, which, like I said, sometimes you have to hang on to this and work it around your hook to get it. And now we're going to do a front post double crochet onto the next one. And then the next one is a back post. And you can tell that when you're working, you can feel that it sticks out more on the back than it does on the front. So you can pretty much know the next one is going to be a back post. And then just double crochet and front post. Once you have your base row, it's pretty easy to keep going because then posts stand up. Just like such. Now this technique is used for a lot of different things. You can use it as a cuff at the end of a sleeve because it's ribbed and it'll have stretch to it. You can put it as a collar on a sweater or the bottom of a sweater. Some people have made blankets in different stitch patterns using front and back post. In my thumbnail picture, you will see where I have used a series of 3 front post and 3 back post, and every so many rows alternating that to give the basket weave look. So there's many variations of the front post and the back post and how they're used and what they're used for in patterns. But this is just your basic learning how. And in future tutorials, you might see me using front post and back post. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope I have helped you understand back post and front post. If I have, please like the video. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you'll know whenever I post a video. Thank you for watching. Be blessed and be a blessing. Bye.